This week on Nit Nerds News, TCL's insane 115-inch TV puts projectors on notice. A Google TV streaming box from Walmart might be your best tech buy this year. A Disney, Hulu, and Max bundle is on the way, and when Dune 2 is due to hit streaming on Max. Welcome to Nit Nerds News, all the need-to-know news about the stuff you watch and the stuff you use to watch it in just a few quick minutes. I'm your host, Caleb Dennison. In a move that makes streaming look more like internet cable TV than ever before, Disney has announced a new streaming bundle that will include both ad-supported and ad-free packages with Disney+, Hulu, and Max due to launch this summer. Between those three services, subscribers will get access to content from ABC, CNN, DC, Discovery, Disney, Food Network, FX, HBO, HGTV, Hulu, Marvel, Pixar, Searchlight, Warner Brothers, and more. Now, to be fair, this will be a pretty tremendous value. Disney and Max have a deep catalog of excellent original content, and when you pile on everything else that's available from Warner, Discovery, and ABC, plus Hulu Live TV if you want it, that's more than enough to keep you entertained without a subscription to anything else. And I think that's the idea. But I can't help look at the consolidation aspect of this and think it looks a lot like back in the day when ABC, CBS, and NBC ruled the airwaves. What do you think? The comment section is very open. TCL has officially announced its absolutely monstrous 115-inch 5,000 nit capable mini LED QLED TV, and it is really something to behold. I spent a couple of hours watching it at an event in New York recently, and no doubt it was extremely impressive. It ain't cheap though, y'all. The MSRP on the QM8 91G TV is around $26,000, although the street price opens at about $20,000. A TV at that price for TCL, best known as a high-value TV brand, is kind of a moonshot move, but it could very well represent the end of projectors, even short-throw projectors. Consider the fact that TCL also announced 98-inch TVs costing as little as $2,000 to $3,000. That's an ultra-bright direct view TV with no added cost of a special screen for about the same price as a UST projector. Are you impressed? Let us know down below. Walmart just released what might be the best deal in streaming boxes. The new ON 4K Pro is $50 and more powerful than the aging Chromecast with Google TV. It does 4K, HDR, Dolby Vision, and Dolby Atmos, has a mic built in for hands-free operation, and remote finder feature, and it's probably the best alternative to an Apple TV on the market right now for less money. It's not a perfect device, but it's going to make a whole lot of sense for a whole lot of people. We've got a link to the full review at digitaltrends.com, as well as a shopping link if you want to pick one up, all down in the description. If you missed it in theaters and have been eager to watch Dune 2, you're in luck. Max releases Dune 2 for streaming on May 21st. Now, while the 4K Blu-ray and standard Blu-ray discs have been available for a few weeks, this will give anyone without a disc player a chance to see the epic flick in Dolby Vision with Dolby Atmos at home. Honestly, I'm super interested in comparing the streaming version to the disc version. Maybe do the same with Oppenheimer. If that sounds like a video you'd like to see, weigh in down in the comments. That's it for this week's edition of Nit Nerds News. Tune in next week for more, same time, same channel. And until then, here's two other videos I think you might like.